This project, funded by the National Science Foundation since October 2019, explores the challenges of human-drone partnerships for emergency response. UAVs, otherwise known as drones, are becoming increasingly ubiquitous throughout society and are used for all sorts of different tasks, including emergency response. For example, drones can be used to help fight fires, identifying hotspots, and providing a bird's-eye view of the scene. They can be used for search and rescue. In this example, we collaborated with the firefighters in the city of South Bend for a demo of using drones for search and rescue on the St. Joseph's River. Firefighters already use drones for many tasks. Probably many of you will remember the fire at Notre Dame Cathedral in Paris and how drones were used to provide firefighters with a bird's eye view of the burning building. However, our vision for human-drone partnerships goes far beyond that. Instead of drones being manually flown by firefighters, we envision them as fully fledged members of the mission team. There are many open research challenges that we need to address in order to see this vision become a reality. Here you can see an early prototype of the river search and rescue scenario. 3 drones, shown as yellow shields, have autonomously planned their search routes, and you can see that drone number 3 has used its onboard image recognition capabilities to identify a potential victim in the water. This information is streamed back to firefighters who can confirm or refute the sighting and respond accordingly. To achieve this vision, we're currently addressing 3 specific research goals. First, we're developing image recognition capabilities that not only allow a drone to detect a victim in the water, but identify and label other objects at the scene of the incident. This creates a vocabulary for human-drone communication. Second, we're exploring ways to model executable mission goals so that drones can autonomously engage in the mission. Finally, we focus most of the initial phase of this project in exploring human-drone interactions, answering questions such as how much autonomy firefighters want drones to have, and working with them to design a user interface that provides situational awareness. We are building our drone response solution over our existing Dronology platform. Dronology is used to manage and control small unmanned aerial vehicles. It provides multi-drone mission control and planning, runtime monitoring and diagnostics. It can be used with both physical and simulated drones and provides all sorts of different runtime views. In the early phases of our project, we focused primarily on designing and implementing a user interface. We've worked closely with the firefighters in South Bend to explore their needs for the system, and focused upon situational awareness, which is defined as ways users perceive the environment, understand what is happening, and are empowered to make appropriate decisions. Here you can see some situational awareness daemons. We identified 3 new daemons which are of particular relevance to our socio-technical, cyber-physical environment in which humans and drones are collaborating closely together. Our goal is to ensure that our image recognition software is able to correctly identify all victims in the water without raising false positive alarms. To this end, we are collecting data sets of people in the water under different environmental conditions, and we're developing enhanced image restoration algorithms and training those new algorithms and existing ones on our new dataset. We've worked closely with firefighters to explore several different search and rescue and emergency response scenarios. Here you can see an early mock-up of the case where a drone has detected a victim. Firefighters told us they want to immediately see full screen imagery and to have the options clearly visible on the screen. This scenario, above all others so far in our project, highlights the true potential for closely knit human-drone partnerships. As you can see, our project is a very close collaboration with the firefighters in South Bend. Our project has also provided numerous opportunities for broadening participation. This summer we had undergraduate students who collaborated with grad students, faculty, and with the South Bend firefighters to co-design and to prototype the drone response user interface. This is just the start of our project, which launched officially in October 2019. Moving forward, we plan to systematically tackle the open research challenges, to advance knowledge in the area of human-drone collaborations, and to deliver solutions which have real societal impact.